Right, I'm back with another one. Now, I've got some of these rolled roses. We sell these in blue, white, I think yellow, green, pink, pale pink. So they're a 1-inch flower. Now, I've got some of this netting. And I'm just going to cut a piece off, because I then need to cut that into pieces. And the way to do that, cut it in half. Now this is to make your own trim. Depending on the amount of trim you need, the length of your trim, you know, you'll have to cut your pieces that will, but you can always cut more if you haven't cut enough, put it that way. Cutting that in half, so we've got that. I've also got some of this lace trim. This is all in the shop. If you can't find it, let me know, because sometimes I don't see what's out of stock. It doesn't show me or tell me. Fold that again. It's better if all your pieces are roughly the same size or near enough. And then I've got some of these doilies as well. See, like that. So I'm just going to trim around them. These can be square doilies, round doilies. It really doesn't matter. I just want them tidy-ish. It is a shabby trim, so they don't have to be perfect, but I'm just cutting them out of a pack, a mat, a doily mat. So we'll just do those for now. So we're going to start off with a doily. You need a needle and thread, so I've got all mine ready at the side of me. And you just take one doily and then you sew straight up the middle. You know, like that, and then give that a tacking stitch. Make sure these do not come undone. So you've got that. You take a little bit of this trimming, or you can double it up. I'm going to double mine. Like that. And we're just going to run up the middle of that. In fact, you know what? I'm going to crisscross it like that, because I don't want it even. And run up the middle of that. Now, if you've got a sewing machine, which I have, but I'm not getting it out just to do this trim. No way. And you fasten that on. And you do a little stocking stitch. Now, wait a minute, because I want some ribbon as well. So I've got some wide ribbon. This is where all your scraps, and I mean literally all your scraps, you can make something like this. It's a great way of doing it if you're doing a shabby book or anything like that. Fantastic. Perfect for that kind of job. Now, of course, I'm going to take a couple of these and I'm going to crisscross them, but I'm also going to singe them just to stop them fraying. So I've crisscrossed them just like that. Going to go right across. Like that. See, just like that. It's just a shabby trim. I'm going to go with another doily. because I've got enough there to do another one tomorrow. Let me just see where, let me put that out of the way because I know what I'm like. So we've got that. Now to enhance that, you just do this, and I'm going to put it on the doilies. Look at the difference. Straight away, it just makes a difference. It doesn't have to be on there, it can actually be on there, to be honest. Even that out a bit, so you know what I'm like. And straight away, you've got the most awesome trim. Now, this one, I can just, if I want it a little bit shorter, just do that. But do you see? Make your own shabby trim. Cut some bits of ribbon, cut this, cut that, whatever you want to do. You know, you could put anything on there. Anything. You can even use these acrylic ones. Like in between. Oh, look at that. If I've got enough of them, I'm going to put, oh, I have. Just to put in the middle. Because it looks nice. And I'm like that. I do things like this. I like things to, oh, it's spring coloured. So that's my spring trim. I hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. And just play. Look what you get when you do. Bye bye for now.